In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn on any AC without remote. Over here, I have an LG split AC, but regardless of the type or brand of AC you have, I'm going to be showing you 3 different methods to do this, so it is going to work out for any type of split AC or air conditioner you have. And quickly to the first method, the way you turn on the AC is to simply open up this little AC vent over here. So the air vent actually opens up automatically, and what you just have to do is to use your hand to just push it inward like so, and you should be able to just open up this air vent. And usually on the right or left hand side, you should be able to find the power button just over here. You should be able to see it just over here, but depending on the brand or model of AC you have, yours might actually be on the left hand side. So basically, this is the first method. You want to just locate the power button, and what you just want to do once you locate the button is to just long press on it, and automatically your AC should come up. Also keep in mind that your AC switch should actually be turned on, basically to make sure that there is actually power supply for the AC before you go ahead to long press or press on the power button on the AC. Now for the second method, there are also some ACs that even though you can open up the AC vent manually without your remote control, you will also not be able to find any power button over here or on the left hand side for you to be able to power on the AC. And for ACs like this, what you would have to do is to open up this first compartment of the AC. So basically you can open up this part of the AC without actually causing any problem to the AC. And the way you do that, you can see mine is already opening. From the left hand side, you're going to notice that we have a little opening just over here where you can actually pull out the first compartment of the AC. You can just use a little force to pull this out, just a little force. You want to put your hand on the left hand side as well, so just gradually and carefully remove it. And once you open it up, you can see from the right hand side there is actually a power button, and it shows on and off. You can either long press on it or just tap on it, or in some cases, depending on the type of AC you have, you will be able to find a little hole where you can just use a pin, insert it on the little hole to turn on the AC. But in this case, it is actually a little button. You can literally see that. And all I just have to do now is to tap on this button or long press on it, and your AC should automatically turn on. By default, it should also be set to like 22 or 23. Also keep in mind that to turn it off, you can just use the same button, just long press on it or tap on it, and it should also go off as well. Now for the final method, depending on the type of AC you have, the AC might actually come with some physical power on and power off buttons. A very good example of this is on my Hisense standing AC over here. Basically, with the standing split AC, there is a touch sensor over here that actually says power on and power off, and automatically once you tap on it without the remote control, the AC actually turns on. If this was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.